Okay, I can't continue the other video with the Bible, but I'm just saying this to the demons, for they can be gone. I hate demons. I want to go up. But if you want to go to heaven, you need to say all these sins and please forgive me, God. Our Lord Jesus, please forgive me for all of my sins that I didn't meant, or
Sa
it was
pag-ikot kasama ng otoridad,
a
natagpuan ng
emergency.
biktima ang motorsiklo sa tabing kalsada
I'm so
sa
sorry,
Barangay
God.
Tumana, pero
Lord
sila
God,
na ang wirings at nakakalas
please
na ang
don't
kaha.
let me go
Posible anyang
from my
hindi ito
family.
nakaandar ng kawatan, kaya
I
iniwan na
need
lang.
to,
Inaano
I
po
still
namin,
need
nasa
to
kalsada
protect
na
him
baklas
for
na. Yung anak ko,
three of
hindi ko natin sa school.
the
Tapos,
stupid typhoons that
pinaayos
are
ko pa
going in
yung
the
motor ko.
Philippines.
Di rin naman ako nakapasok sa trabaho.
Well, it's not that
Ayun po
super,
yung sobrang sakit
but
po sa ulo. Tapos yung bumalik,
it's
na trauma
Zalaila,
ulit.
Patuloy
Yasmin,
naman ang
and
follow-up
Wilma.
operation ng Marikina Police para
Bye.
maharap ang